জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Because I am his protective shield. And just like you, whoever wants to harm my husband should be aware. Because I can see everything. Whatever you want to do, are doing, or are about to do, everything, everything. Lotus Vishalakshi lets me see everything. And I have these visions much before you pour out your poison. So all your misdeeds will be visible to me. Let this be known. I am saying this to every one of you. Learn to fear me. And if you can, try to rectify yourself. Otherwise, no one will be spared. None.
Jayant? What is this I'm hearing, Jayant? Is it true whatever Nayan is saying? Why are you quiet, Jayant? Please answer me. This means Jasmine really tried to... Answer me, Jayant. So you know everything but you won't tell me. Your silence proves that Nayan is telling the truth, Jayant. I was mistaken. I saw Jasmine in a different light. Since the time of your wedding. When Sudha was getting married, then your sister came to me and formed a bond calling me uncle. In that call of uncle, I found familiarity, and so I could never doubt her. She managed to delight everyone in the house. That Jasmine can do such a thing. I don't believe this. I cannot believe this. It pains me to believe it, Jayant.
Policeman. Policeman. You are deeply hurt, aren't you? I know. I know when a near and trusted person hurts you. How does your heart feel? I know it very well.
Nayan, my child, don't forget that I'm a police officer. Compared to my duty and responsibility, love, affection, and pity have no value at all. I confess before you, my child, I made a mistake. I was mistaken and I misunderstood you. Only you can feel whatever I feel in my heart, my child. Only you know. Because even being the closest person to you, even being your most trusted person, I couldn't honor our bond. Misunderstanding you, I got you arrested. You tried to explain many things on the day of Dripto and Jasmine's wedding, but I didn't want to believe it. I made a huge mistake, so I'm giving you my word. This time I'll make amends. Jasmine, for conspiring and attempting to murder Mr. Dripto Basu, I am gonna arrest you. I'm gonna call the police station right now. As soon as female police officers arrive, I'll take you directly to the police station.
And Pratima, this looks like a movie's climax.
I don't know if it's a movie. But at times, my mother-in-law says, virtue proclaims itself. And today I'm witnessing it. Right, mother?
No, I didn't do anything. Please trust me. Please trust me, I didn't do anything.
And Pratima, is the policeman going to put handcuffs on Chowmein?
Of course he will. Criminals are handcuffed.
You are making some mistake, uncle. You must be making some mistake.
Your crimes are proven, Jasmine. There's no way to escape. You can't survive by escaping.
Jayanta, will you also stay silent? What are you? Don't you have any pity or compassion? What is it? I'm your own sister. Don't you know we are bound by blood? Even after knowing everything, seeing me getting framed, he won't say a word. Won't you save me?
Jasmine, what are you saying?
Jayanta, I'm about to get jailed because of you. You only said it, didn't you? You said there was poison in the powder container, and if everyone gets to know about it, you will accept all the crimes. Didn't you say it? Say it! You said yourself that you will say everything to the police. Why aren't you saying it now? Why are you watching me getting framed? Why aren't you confessing your crimes? Say it!
My crimes? What do you mean?
Of course, your crimes.
Jasmine, what are you saying? I don't understand anything.
You can understand, Jayanta. All of it. But you don't want to. Jayanta, how long now? This wasn't supposed to be. You had said you would confess all your crimes if we get caught. Didn't you? Jayanta, please. Please. Please spare me now. Please. How long? How long will I carry around the burden of your crimes on my head? What do you really want? What do you want? That your sister spends her life in prison. Is that it? Please, Jayanta.
What's happening, man? What does Jasmine want to say?
I too can't understand that, Dripto sir. And why is Miss Jasmine suddenly getting furious with her brother?
Please say something. Why don't you understand that your silence is pushing me towards a ditch? Please, Jayanta, speak up. Jayanta, please speak up. Please speak up, Jayanta. Don't be a rock like this, brother, please. Please speak up.
Keep quiet! Keep quiet at once! You stop all this drama, Jasmine!
Drama? Do my tears seem a drama to you, uncle?
Of course it does. Do you know what your tears are called? Crocodile tears. In plain language, they are called crocodile tears. I've been with the police department for many years. So my eyes can at least understand which are human tears and which are crocodile tears. Of course, I've been late in figuring you out, Jasmine. Because my affection completely blinded me. Nayan repeatedly tried very hard to point you out in my eyes, but I did not want to see that. I didn't give importance to her words. Else I would have known much earlier that these tears of yours are actually crocodile tears. So there's no use lamenting and shedding tears anymore, Jasmine. Your misdeeds are all clear to me now.
Nothing is clear to you. Nothing! Whatever you or everyone else can see now is just the tip of the iceberg and nothing more than that. The poison in the flower container and the flowers, the seeds to all these were planted much deeper. Much deeper.
Planted much deeper? What do you want to say?
I thought Jayanta himself would say everything. Because Jayanta promised me that he will accept all his crimes. Since he has decided to stay silent today, I will reveal everything. Do you know how long the poison was in my powder container? Then listen. Since the day Jayanta decided that he would murder Sudha. That he would murder Sudha.
What? What did you just say?
I'm telling the truth, uncle. Ask him. If you don't believe my words, you can ask your dear son-in-law.
Jasmine?
What is the use of getting so surprised now, Jayanta? Haven't I stayed silent all this time? I didn't say anything to anyone. I was quiet. Only because you are my brother. I died every day. The guilt killed me every single day. And today when I'm in danger, you are completely silent. Absolute silence. Why? Will you turn your back on me like this? Why? Today I won't keep my mouth quiet. Today I will admit everything to everyone. I will say everything. I will say how you killed Sudha.
Keep quiet, Jasmine. Jasmine, please keep quiet. Are you out of your mind? I'm your big brother. Jasmine, please keep quiet. Please.
No, I am not going to keep quiet. Why should I stay silent? Tell me, why should I stay silent? You'll keep committing one crime after the another and I'll stay silent. No. I won't do that, Jayanta. You know, Uncle? Jayanta forbid me to open the powder container. He said that it was an imported powder brought only for Sudha. I said then, give it to Sudha. But he said he would give it at the correct time. I thought, why? There would be a proper time for gifting someone. Believe me, I couldn't say anything. How could I? It was between husband and wife. It's better not to interfere, right? Right?
Jasmine, now you're crossing your limits.
I'm not crossing any limits, Jen. It was you who crossed the limits. That day when you started bringing flowers for Sudha. Uncle, Jayanta suddenly brought flowers for Sudha one day. The flowers Nayan sent to you for testing were exactly like that. The same flowers. Orchid.
The smell of flowers, the smell of death. Do you get it, Nayan?
That day I asked Jayanta, how come you suddenly brought flowers for Sudha? Jayanta laughed and answered, why can't I bring flowers for my wife? I kept quiet then. Really, he can of course bring flowers for his wife. But then I observed he started bringing her flowers every day. Same flowers. I was very happy to see them. Every day, Jayanta would bring flowers for Sudha. But then, I started having a hunch. Whenever Jayanta brought flowers for Sudha, he used to ask for the powder container from me. And later he used to return it. That's why I started keeping an eye on Jayanta. I saw Sudha didn't want to take the flowers. Still, Jayanta forcefully gave her the flowers. Then I observed something strange. The powder container has started getting empty. I felt something strange. And then I saw Sudha too. She started getting sick. I understood that it was the flowers that made Sudha sick. And that's why I got scared and gave the container back to Jayanta. right after that, Sudha died.